Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. This is going to be a very quick comparison video between the Streamlight Protac HLX, as you can see here, and the new Protac HLX Pro model. If you're looking for instructions on a demonstration, please see our other videos on our YouTube channel. So the major differences between the two models have to do with the tail switch and pressure pad. On the older model, this is part number 88066 or 88071. You have to remove the entire tail switch here in order to install the pressure pad. The bonus though is this pressure pad has the constant on, and on the new Pro models, it comes with what they're calling the jack cap, in which you can just plug directly in to the tail switch, but it comes with just a standard pressure pad. If you want the pressure pad with the constant on, this is a separate part number 89008, and you can buy that separately. So the new models are part numbers 88126, which is the long gun kit with CR123 batteries, 88127, which is the long gun kit with a rechargeable SLB26 battery. Part number 88128 is just the light with CR123 batteries, and part number 88129 is just the light with the rechargeable battery. And if you use code YT10 at checkout, you're going to get 10% off with free shipping, and that's at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Thank you for watching.